Hey guys, at Windrock here in East Tennessee. This is pretty sweet. So Toyota's getting ready to do some ads from here, and they are we're getting ready to do some off-road driving. If you kind of take a look, you can see all of the trucks being staged so that we can go and have some fun, right? So I don't know if any other manufacturer do this, because I don't know if they'd have a Tundra to pull them out, but just kind of this is pretty sweet. So we'll kind of let you know as we go here, but it's pretty fun so far, just starting.
Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody here realizes what Toyota does with its loyal customers. All of you are, it's just amazing that they're willing to do this, and that they're willing to put the Toyota brand out there in such an open and forward way, take it out on the trails. Dennis said roads. I think you guys are going to find this doesn't necessarily qualify as roads. This is legit trails, because you're going to be in some situations today that are pretty difficult. Some ups, some downs, some slippery stuff, kind of a little sideways a couple times.
Awesome. Okay, no problem.
Feel free, whatever
do
you
you
want
have
to do.
something that you have a preference for?
Nope.
Okay.
No, I'm just like, let's have some fun.
All right, cool.
So,
I mean, don't have too much fun though, because we do have to give these back.
well, yeah.
I will say though, this natural lighting with your light up there is making you look very good, sir.
Of course. Somebody's dead.
No, we've been doing a little bit of, so the first obstacle you're gonna come on is a little bit of a tricky one. I know you're familiar with off-road, so this should be a breeze for you.
The clearance with the truck behind us can stay tight.
Done to us.
No.
Are you guys down?
They're gonna tell us when to come down. Yeah, so we're definitely gonna give them a little bit of room. You'll see it when you get there, and you'll kind of. So it's starting to get a little bit sloshy.
Are we waiting for them, or?
You can creep. I've been just saying, like, kind of obvious. I feel bad telling someone that has off-road, but so this is where we're gonna get sloshy. I've been giving them a little bit of time, because you're gonna see them start to kind of slide around a little bit. Is all you?
Yeah, I just don't want anyone to be stopped in that corner, so you have to pass me over.
Look at him go.
Yeah.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah. It's funny, you get a little squirrely.
Oh, yeah.
The trails are the fun part too.
I am down. Austin is coming down now behind me.
10-4 truck 6 on the way down.
Is it right? Take that paper off the dash.
Shane, yeah, thank you.
Just to say, it gives you a reflection.
If you want to clean the windshield too, it might make it a little bit clearer for this. There you go.
This is freaking awesome. What'd you do today? I went in the woods. Don't worry about it. I kept asking.
Are you familiar with wheeling on a mountain?
No.
Okay. So you're gonna probably pick the line passenger a little bit more.
Yeah.
Obviously, the other line is a bad idea.
Really?
Yeah,
That's what the issue is.
And I think you're gonna have a lot of fun. The farther we get into this, it does get a little bit wet, and we are gonna be going up a hill. I don't know if him in the back is gonna have fun. If he's not.
Yeah, he'll grin and bear it.
really sorry that your footage is gonna have this black thing on your windshield.
What?
For their GoPro.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Driver smidge. We just want to avoid that twig there. It's kind of more of like a branch. We do have the black truck.
All I know is you said stay to passenger, so I'm staying to passenger.
Yeah. I will let you know if I see anything on the side that's bad.
Yeah. Just following orders.
Did you say you did sales too, or just media?
Yeah, sales.
Okay. Yeah, I was actually having a conversation with the other fellow. He's also sales, and I'm really impressed at what these are doing. Basically stock. You might have to give a smidge of gas through this if you feel like you're having any issues.
Yes. You just punch it a little bit if it's gonna just bring it back around.
I would like to point out this man has a very big smile on his face right now. He's very excited to be doing this.
And usually when I did go off-road, we all went in groups.
Oh yeah, always.
Everybody's got a tow rope. Everybody's got, you know.
Yeah, it's some recovery gear. So I don't want to alarm you now, but we do not have any recovery gear.
Cool.
So this is going to all be on your driver skill.
Awesome.
First for this rear view mirror, actually. It's not too shabby for stock.
Oh, they're all HD.
Yeah, it's nice.
A little slosh right there.
Yeah, you're gonna get a little bit up here too.
Yep.
So
A second.
you can go.
Just in case.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
You're good. Okay. Yeah, the vehicle will basically do all the work for you.
Steering wheel.
I mean, just moving that and the response time with everything is very impressive. But I've also drove something where the steering went out, so.
I still ain't kicked on the locking diff.
You haven't? Cool. You might change your mind when we're doing a couple things more towards the end. It got a little.
And that's fine. I'm just,
Oh,
it's
yeah.
kind of fun that I haven't had to do that.
Oh yeah, it's driver skill at that point. It's funner.
Yeah. It's just nice that you can, and then your pitch and roll.
Oh, it's all nice. All right, you're gonna get a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Lockers on. You're good. Driver.
Trying.
I know the mud's getting kind of thick.
We can make it happen. Yeah, I saw that. I was like, yeah, we're gonna lock that back.
Oh yeah.
You definitely feel the difference with it locked.
Yeah. Yeah. I've ran it without and with. I personally don't mind it, but some people would rather like more of the challenge.
Well, that's all about knowing your limitations.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely think that it's the safety of the vehicle being our first concern as well. But you seem like you're very familiar with reaction time as well.
Well, I've been driving it since Halloween, so.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just mine.
Yeah.
But as soon as we got one, I was out in it, so.
Yeah.
And then I also have the hybrid, so there's some people that'll be driving these don't have the hybrid version.
Okay.
Because all the pros are hybrids.
Okay.
But there's a lot of people that have Tundras that are not the hybrids, so you have slightly different reactions to those.
So I'm assuming the Pro's the one with all the gizmos.
Yeah.
All the okay.
Yeah,
It's the top
Grand,
package. Okay.
Pro's granddaddy.
Okay. Yeah.
Now, actually, Pro is granddaddy for off-road.
Okay. Yeah, I figured that.
Yeah.
It
so
has
you
everything on here.
Yeah, you can go to like a platinum if you want to have like all the the whatchamacallit, the
Interior maybe.
the luxury
okay, yes.
and stuff like that. So you can go to
Yeah.
a platinum or $17.94 for those. But if you want to be off-road, and all of them are going to be off-road capable. But
Yes.
if you want off-road, yeah, you gotta go with Pro. It was funny though when Marvin goes, "Yeah, that truck's a little too big for those trails." It's like, okay, great, let's drive it. Got none of that.
Yeah, you're gonna want to go driver a little bit and try to avoid this bush. Yeah, there's gonna be a rock on your driver as well.
Uncle Dan, do you guys want to move up and so we can just get the pictures started?
There's a rock there. Tail is catching up. Okay, you're gonna hit a smidge of a rock right here. No big deal, just gonna bump you. There you go. Alright. And you're gonna have a little bit of a slosh right here. Nothing major. Alright, so we're gonna come up on this. It's a rain runoff. I know you can see what they're doing, but yeah, we're just kind of following them.
Sweet.
Yeah.
That's where the GoPro should be.
Oh yeah. It might be where it's at, actually.
I mean, that's where I would put it.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
You know? Yeah, something trying to protect it. I would.
Up here too.
This would be pretty sweet in the rain.
Yeah.
Talk about sloshy.
Oh yeah. I think that would be a situation. It'd be kind of fun to test out the crawl speed on here, or the crawl on here, the mode. Yeah, that would be kind of cool.
We've done the lock and diff. We've done the MTS.
Yeah, we're not doing the crawl on this adventure, but I think have you guys gone out with the engineers yet?
No.
Okay, you guys might do maybe there. All right, this is where we're gonna start to get a little bit.
Awesome.
Yeah, I mean you're gonna get
Sorry.
excited. Yeah.
I didn't know if that was the word you were looking for.
Oh no.
Awesome.
Nope.
Okay. Yeah.
This is all about your experience, making sure that you become a professional driver now.
I'm going to turn on the tow gauges. I'm going to see what the temperature of like the oil and stuff is. But, when we stop.
Yeah, I mean we're more than welcome when we're done. If you're interested in knowing.
You know how to do it?
Me?
Yeah.
I have personally stayed away from any of the tow features.
It's not towing. It's
The system readout.
yeah.
I have not gotten into that.
Customize the right
Yes.
gauges.
Yeah, I haven't gotten
So,
into
yeah.
that.
You can change these over here. Right now, these two gauges mean less than what your temperature gauges would mean on your oil and your training temperature.
Yeah.
Because right now, that's what I would want to see is the oil and the training.
Yeah, what you're reading out for everything while you're putting it under this. Yeah,
Yeah,
my vehicle does it as well.
Yeah, they call it the towing gauges, but for off-roading, if you're getting higher revs and stuff like that, then you probably want to watch your off-road temperature.
Yeah. I haven't had anyone that's asked about manually downshifting yet either, so
That's easy.
yeah.
You know how to do it, right?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Alrighty, this is where you're going to start to have a little bit of fun. I don't know about the guy in the back, but
let's see if we can turn that orange truck brown.
all right. So this is gonna be one where I have seen them start to whip a little bit.
Okay.
There he
Like
goes.
that?
Yeah. But I think everything starts catching. Are our lockers engaged or are we off? Yeah, I would engage the lockers for this. Why are we yelling now? We'll have to get through this and just that. Alrighty. Okay, nudge up to him a little bit. What was our beeping alert there? Was the locker not engaging?
Yeah, it
It did now. Okay, yeah. Hold off a smidge. Yeah.
No, I was at too
Yeah,
high
passenger. I'm sorry, driver.
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I was at too high of a.
Driver.
I'm trying.
We're gonna need to start engaging MTS at some point if that's not on.
It's on.
Okay. Okay, our locker's on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go driver. And I would do a little bit less gas. There you go. Kind of crawl it a smidge. There you go. You're good. A little bit more. Perfect.
There's a rock under there.
Oh, we passed one.
We went over one that was underneath the
Oh,
mud.
did you feel it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, left front. You feel it?
Okay, you're gonna go driver a smidge.
I was just trying to get around that little stick.
Thank you for the concern of the vehicle. Okay, driver, watch out for your rock.
That's it.
All right, good. Okay. I would give them I mean, I want to keep rolling, but give them a smidge. Yeah, they might kick out a little bit. There she goes. Yep. Okay, you're gonna go a little bit more driver. We're pretty close to this tree.
Yeah, I got it.
Cool. You're good. Awesome.
You can see the multi-link, how the wheels are kicking out on that truck.
Yeah.
You see how the suspensions? That's sweet.
Articulating?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah, it's kicking out.
Okay. So I know you're gonna want to hug the passenger, but we can't.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah.
Actually, I didn't have you in the
Yeah,
urge
Tom, Austin to Tom, you copy?
What is it? Wait, what? Repeat?
This is the hill we all gotta roll down together.
Okay.
Formation, tight formation.
Okay.
It's us.
Yep. So I think it's not yet. It's going to be on the turn. Maybe.
There's nowhere
Yep, we're just good. Yeah, yeah, you're good. Don't try gas. You're great.
I was saying there's
All right,
no
okay, we're
avoiding
okay. Here we go.
that. Hey, people are hiding in the weeds.
Yeah, no, just
They're going to attack us.
Yeah, roll out.
No, it's-
The caboose is up. We're good. Good to roll. Good to roll.
Alright, rolling out slowly through the gate.
I see you. Sorry. So- Didn't scare you there, did I?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Team 1, check up just for a second, please. Check up just for a second.
Steve.
That's us. So I think they're going to ask us to pause for a second.
1. Okay, let's roll now. Let's roll now.
Locker disengaged. Awesome. And you can disengage MTS if you would like. Perfect.
I had it disengaged. I re-engaged it.
Oh. Alright. And you're just gonna go right up there. Not that I really had to say that, but... Oh, there are those.
Team 1, let's keep our guests close. We're going to capture a bit of video here in just a minute.
All
We
right.
can keep our guests kind of close for just a minute, please.
Okay. Leave the vehicle on, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Gotta tell you guys, just came off the trails. These are really, I mean, you know the trucks are capable, right? But when you have the ability to actually take them out and put them into a situation where you guys, vast majority of you might never be in that situation, but it's really cool on how it functions, how it works, and how these trucks perform when you put them on a trail. And whether it was slick, muddy, dry, uphill, downhill, didn't really matter. Turned on the lock and diff some, obviously. Turned on the multi-terrain select. I mean, you can just kind of, you know, I even turned it to the auto mode. Didn't miss a beat. Didn't really, I mean, obviously slide a little bit here and there, but didn't have any issues at all on that truck. So really, really fun. Looking forward to the rest of the day here.